Okay, Classwork help video. Ooh, okay. Let's work on that zoom. Okay, the way you do this assignment is these are the questions, and this is where you work them out. So this will help us tomorrow. This will help us tomorrow on the quiz, is when you have to solve inequalities. So we could make it a game or something, but practicing together is what I want. Okay, the way the handouts work is now you're going to graph that on the back here. Might help to put it on this sheet too. So you do a closed circle on -7, open circle on 8, 18, here we go. It's another OR. These are called compound inequalities. This will get you ready for the quiz. Add 9 to both sides. Divide by -9. Do a flip. Alright, let's go graph it. Hindsight, I should have printed this on a separate page. Okay, we got another OR going on here. You could almost just do it here. It's kind of ugly, but yeah. I mean, it's pretty ugly. However you want to do it. I mean, there's not enough space. Okay. Man, I'd make this go so faster. It's mainly about you trying them yourself. I'm not good at making games. When did we do compound inequalities? We did them last week. So if you looked at week 16, I'll try to remind you to get them out. I think I can remember this. No, I can't. X is less than 3. I guarantee you probably by Thursday I'll just print this page off. This is insane. Yeah, I'll just print you a new one. This is for the birds. I don't know why that's a saying at all. Okay. Change colors just because I wanted to. Okay, this number makes kids uncomfortable. You're like, I usually cross that out, and I cross that out. Okay, let's think about why you can cross that out. Any number added to its opposite is always 0. X is less than negative 4. X is less than negative 4. X is less than negative 4. X is greater than or equal to 0. Closed circle going right. Okay, now we're going to go on into some ands. There's 2 ways you could solve them. Okay. I'm going to give you the easy way first. I have a post-it note to cover this up. Only got like budget post-its. Okay, so this is called solving simultaneously. So these are ands. I'm going to use this note card to show you what we're doing. Okay, we've got 2 different inequalities going here. So let's solve this one. Okay, how would I get x by itself? I'd add 1, add 1. Okay, I'm not going to put a line yet. Okay, so we got a second inequality over here. Okay, how would I solve that one? Well, I'd add 1 to this. Okay, this is called solving it simultaneously. We're solving them all at the same time. Negative 1 and 1, inverse operations. That'd be 9x plus 0. Okay. Alright. We're solving this inequality. Normally I tell you if the variable's not on the left to put it there, but we're doing a compound inequality. I didn't divide by 9, so I don't really have to flip it. Okay, now let's solve this one. Well, I divide both sides by 9. And you don't have to flip that first one, because ands should always kind of like meet in the middle. So those would be closed circles. Okay, if you want to practice interval notation. So this is going negative infinity to 3. I'm always afraid I'm going to make a mistake in one of these videos. It's 5. Just a simple mistake, because like I make mistakes too. I'm not infallible. So it could be 1, and we're going to positive infinity. These would both be brackets. Okay, so another way I can explain this is for kids to remember compound inequalities, you usually have 2 solutions. Okay, you can do it this way. Alright, let's get that note card again. You could separate them. And you could put the word and in. Okay, then you cover up that inequality. And now we have that inequality. So this will help us once we get the absolute value. This is not solving it simultaneously. Normally I tell you to flip it if the variable's not on the left. But for all intensive purposes of this, let's keep it this way for now. Okay, you'll see why in a second. Okay, now I'll solve this inequality. Okay, so there's a common theme here, is we got an x here. So our answer is the x's have to be bigger than negative 2, but less than 5. So then x is greater than or equal to negative 2 and x is less than 5. It's the same thing. So we go close circle on negative 2, open circle on 5, meet in the middle. Wait, what was it again? Negative 2, 5. I don't like teaching interval notation this early, but it does help you later. But it makes you think this answer is an ordered pair, and it's not. It could be negative 2. It can't be 5. So you go parentheses. So if you just want a little practice on interval notation, okay, I'd pause the video. Try the last 2 on your own. You pick whichever technique you want. You can solve them simultaneously, or you can separate them. So I'll do 23 like I did 21 and 24 like I did 22. I'll pause the video. You try them. Okay, let's talk about this one for a second. If I did it this other way, I'll do it both ways. Alright. But if you separate them, when I get down here, I flip it. Okay? Now watch when I flip it here. And then watch what happens at the end of our answer. Okay, that's pretty cool to me, is when we separate them, we can kind of see our answer. As it goes together like that. Or you could write it x is greater than negative 1 and x is less than 7. So it's up to you how you write it. Now, how do I solve this one simultaneously? We'll see what it looks like. So see, I got the same answer.